skincare is one of the topics and trends that are getting more and more common often and lately. Why? Pollution, sleep deprivation, unhealthy food and diet are things that really matter in these regards. Today I'm very happy to be accompanied by one of the experts in this topic, Dr. Evgenia Shelemba. Welcome.
Thank you.
So let me tell you a few details about Dr. Evgenia Shelemba. She is a specialist dermatologist, PhD. She specializes in all kinds of aesthetic treatments, toxic and filler treatments, treatments with energy-based devices, and chemical peelings. In 2019, she was certified by Galderma as an LMT trainer, and she has worked as a dermatologist since 2014 and spent 5 years working at a clinic in Dubai. Now let's go into the topic. And first question is, we know that skincare is very needed, but can you tell us what are the most important ingredients in your opinion?
The most important ingredients in skincare are the active ingredients which can help us to treat any problem, such as, for example, vitamin C for hyperpigmentation, acids for skin exfoliation and for the hyperpigmentation as well, retinol for the fine lines and wrinkles and to improve the skin quality, sunblock, sun protection for the day creams to protect our skin from the harmful UV rays. So these are the most important parts of the skincare, and they should definitely be administered by the specialist dermatologist. And we will talk about it in our seminar soon.
Okay, and what are the products that you recommend as a treatment for patients that are worried about their skincare treatment?
Basically the same that I just said now, that the skincare routine consists of several steps, one of which is cleansing, then toning, then moisturizing, sun protection, and we choose the additional active ingredients according to the patient's concern.
Okay, we all know that skin is not the same at the different stages of our life, so what would you recommend for a mature skin?
I think the best, one of the best products for the mature skin is retinol, because it helps to improve the keratopoiesis, so it improves the growth basically of the new cells at the same time with exfoliation of the old skin cells, and it makes the skin firmer and thicker.
And when we talk between male and female, our skins are not the same. So what would you recommend for a male patient?
For the male patient, we choose the product according to the skin type and the skin concern. So for the male patients, if they have a thicker skin, we can also choose retinol, but with the higher percentage of active ingredients.
Okay, and when it comes to skincare, what do you think we should stay away from?
Of any ingredients that are considered to be toxic, that are considered to harm the skin. Now there are lots of questions and controversies about hydroquinone, for example, parabens. So I think that we should always study a lot about it to know what to avoid in the skincare.
And when it comes to combination of treatments, is this something that we can do when it comes to skincare? And if so, what are the results that we can expect?
Yeah, that's always the best way is to combine different treatments. For example, to combine vitamins, to apply them in the morning, such as vitamin C serum, and use peptides and different types of non-comedogenic oils in the evening. And when we combine different modalities of treatments, we get the most prominent result.
And when we talk about skincare, we also talk about the hyperpigmentation. What are the skin types that are more prone?
It's considered that the darker skin types are more prone to hyperpigmentation because the melanocytes in the darker skin phototypes are more active. So it's important to be careful with darker skin phototypes. First of all, to apply the sun protection. And second of all, when we do any treatments, we have to remember that with any irritating factor, the skin can reply to us by the topical hyperpigmentation. So we need to be careful with the fourth, fifth, sixth skin phototypes.
You said a key word that actually leads to the next question, topical. So how should we treat it? Topical, peeling, or EBD?
It depends because if the energy-based device is heating up the skin, it can again react by hyperpigmentation as the protective reaction to the heat. If it's more safe to use the non-heating energy-based devices such as microneedling, for example, and very gentle acids such as kojic acid, azelaic acid, and to use them in serums and the gliders for the microneedling, for example.
Yeah, and now let's just focus on the damages. How we can prevent all those damages in our skin on a daily basis. What can we do?
For you mean for the damages from the UV rays and from other stuff?
Yeah, pollution, everything.
Yeah, just to protect our skin with the cream, the UV sun protecting cream in the morning, and to use the cream with, as I said, non-comedogenic oils to make kind of the protective film on our skin, and to moisturize it very well in the evening.
Okay, thank you very much, Evgenia Shelemba.
Thank you.